Vasquez, I'm Jasmine Maldonado. I'm going to be your CNA for today.
Hi.
Hi. Today we're going to be doing some coughing exercises and some breathing exercises, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to go wash my hands and put some gloves on. I'll be back in a second. Ms. Vasquez, I'm back. So, first we're going to do some breathing exercises. I'm going to have you breathe in through your nose and then exhale through your mouth. You're going to be holding in the air up to 3 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Okay. One more time. Exhale. Okay, one more time. Exhale. Okay, now I'm gonna have you cough, okay? I'm gonna have you hold this pillow above your rib cage on top of your incisions, okay? Hold it tight. Okay, now we're gonna breathe one more time and then you're gonna cough 2 times.
Okay.
Okay, now you can cough. Okay, thank you, Ms. Vasquez. Put this away. Okay, I'll be back in a second.
Okay.
Ms. Vasquez? Hi, Ms. Vasquez. Do you need anything before I leave?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put your call light right here so you can click it if you need anything, and I'll come and assist you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.